This video will show you how to construct the windmill to use in the Maker's Empire Windy City lesson plan. The components needed to construct this are all found within the Tinkering with Turbines box, and most parts are found within the wind lift bag. You will also need tape, scissors, and a screwdriver to build the windmill. Start by attaching the two small black blocks to the large rectangular base. Count 3 holes over from the side and 6 holes up. Use the flat screw to attach this block to the base. Use the nut to secure the screw in place. Do the same thing on the other side. If the screw is too hard to turn, use a screwdriver. Once that's attached, you will need 3 wooden dowels. Cut one of the dowels in half and set aside. Place the other 2 dowels into the holes on the small blocks that you attached to the base. Next, we are going to prepare the 2 small black blocks. You will notice that there are 2 holes on the side of the blocks and that these holes have grooves inside them. We need to smoothen out 1 hole on each block. To do this, twist a screwdriver inside the hole until it is smooth. Once you have done that, you need to attach the blocks to the top of the wooden dowels. When you look at the blocks on the side, it has 1 hole, and one side has 2 holes. Insert the dowel into the single hole. It's a tight fit, so you may have to apply some pressure. Do the same for the other block and dowel. Make sure that the smooth holes that you have created line up when you attach the blocks to the dowels. Next, insert the half dowel through the grooved holes on the block. Again, this is a tight fit and might require some pressure. Now we have created the base for the windmill. So we are going to create the blades next. You will need 4 wooden skewers, 3 of which you need to cut the pointed end off of. You will also need some blades that you or your students have created out of cardboard or plastic to use here. Tape the wooden dowels to the blades. You will then use a black, not the green one that comes in the wind lift kit, but a black center to connect the blades to. The 2 parts fit together, and then you will use a pointed screw to connect them. Screw them together, but leave a small gap large enough for you to fit the wooden skewers into. Attach the blades via the skewer to the center of the windmill. Tighten the screw to secure the blades. Now to attach the blades to the windmill base. Slide the pointed skewer through the smooth holes of the black blocks and push the skewer into the small hole in the back of the center of the blades. To keep the blades from hitting the windmill base, place a bit of tape on the skewer to keep it from sliding too far back. Finally, attach the plastic bucket to the windmill using the wire hanger, a piece of string, and some tape. Now, when the blades spin, the bucket will lift.